Hi there, welcome to Slick Edits. In this video I will show you how to edit the autumn tone filter in Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photos before and after using this filter.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid.
You can download this preset and the password from the description below.
This far, don't know how. I see danger in us. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain. Tonight, we gonna let it rain. Tonight, we gonna let it rain. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it rain.
So let's start editing. First go to the Light tab. Bring contrast down to -26.
Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't
Bring highlight up to +20.
you know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see
Bring shadows to +50.
days. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sun.
Bring whites and blacks to -20.
We gonna let it rain. Tonight, we gonna let it rain. Tonight, we gonna let it rain. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it rain.
Now go to curve. Select curves for each color and modify them as shown in the screen. Pause the video if you want exact representation.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in us. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it
And done. Go to the Colors tab next. Bring temperature down to -6. Bring tint up to +6. Bring vibrance up to +25. Bring saturation down to -34.
Just like a spark
Now go to the color mix tab. Select the red color. Bring hue to +20. Bring luminance down to -10. For the orange color, bring hue and luminance to -20. For the yellow color, bring hue to -50 and saturation and luminance to -30. For the green color, bring hue to -20. Bring saturation and luminance to -30. Go to the aqua color. Bring hue to +30 and luminance to -20. For the blue color, bring saturation to -10 and luminance to -30.
Like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night.
Go to the effects tab and bring texture and haze to +10. Go to split tone. For highlights, bring hue to +28 and saturation to 10. For shadows, bring hue to 48 and saturation to 20.
Just like a spark that's
Next, go to the Profiles tab and select Artistic 3 and apply.
can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt.
Bring it down to 80.
We can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night.
That's it. We're done.
Just like the sunrise.
Let's copy the settings to other photos. Select Copy Settings and apply it in other photos. If you like this video, hit the like button and comment down if you have any queries. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome presets and tutorials.